Hey everyone, welcome to lesson 5. I can't believe we are going on to lesson 5 this week. What I love about this week, go back to our content page, is it's career exploration. So exploring what career you would like to pursue, and if you already have a career, we still explore other careers in case you were deciding to change or not, or give you an option for the possible future. Um, so you'll see it's also academic planning. If after pathway you have a goal to go on and get more education, looking at what that might look like. So here are the different objectives of this course, of this week's content. And sorry, I've had a cold, and so that's why I don't have any fun pictures this week about what my family did, or any pictures at all. We were all laying around sick, but feeling better, so that's always good, and grateful for health and good health. It makes you appreciate when you get sick that when we are healthy, we should be grateful for it. So one thing I first wanted to talk about is discussion boards. Make sure, in order to get the points for discussion board, you have to do your initial post on Wednesday night, and that's on the main discussion board for that week. So if you posted a question on the questions and conversations board, that doesn't count as posting your initial post. And I want that initial post to be at least 3 sentences, so there's enough there for others to respond to or ask questions about. So I'll be looking to make sure that you have at least 3 sentences in your initial post on the main discussion board. And then respond to others' 3 posts. So other peers, 3 other peers' initial posts. So if someone asks a question on your board and you respond, that's not going to count as one of your 3 because I'm wanting it to be looking at other people's boards and responding to them, but you also need to be answering questions that people have about your board. So do both. Answer questions others have on your board or comment to what people say to your post, but then go out and look at 3 other peers' boards so that we're having as much learning happen as can possibly happen, and then we are deepening our learning on other people's boards as well and getting different perspectives. So that is my just piece about discussion boards. Let me know if you have questions about that. And feedback. If you have not seen yet, I would love for you to go, I'll just go to the main page to our announcements. I would love for you to watch this video. Please, please, please watch this video because it tells you how to see your feedback. If you don't know how to get feedback on some of your assignments, watch this video and I tell you how. So please, 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 please watch it and let me know what questions you have. I'm hoping I want the feedback to be beneficial so that it can help you in the future, help you with future assignments. And if you don't watch that feedback, you might continue to make the same mistake or errors each week. So there is that. Now I just want to go over, I would like to go over our application activity because when I do these videos, I tell you things that in the past others have gotten confused on or lost points for, and I want you to prevent that. So a reminder, this is where you can go if you want to see all your assignments for post gathering and when they are due. And I'm going to go to the application activity. So it gives you some information about an address that President Watson gave. And you're going to explore different occupations, even if you already have an occupation that you want to stay in. So first ponder, and it asks you to search for more information about each of your 2 careers. So as it's set up here, you visit a website, and that's in your pre-gathering, one of your assignments in your pre-gathering folder, and you have to write down 2 careers that you're interested in learning more about. And if you already have a career, then you'll do your current career and 1 other. But if you don't have a current career, you'll do 2 careers that you want to explore. Let me know if you have questions about that because it can be confusing. So you go onto this website and what you want to do, let me first come here, you search for information about those 2 careers. And you can go here, here's a place to go that has information about some Bureau of Labor Statistics in the US. You can look in your local newspaper for information about the career you're inquiring about. Talk to someone in the community or someone you know that has information about a career you're interested in. And even the ONET online website that you'll go to in your pre-gathering has some information, so try there. Download the template and answer the questions in it. So let me just show you. Watch this carefully. Use the 2 careers you selected to answer the following questions. But if you're in a career right now, just choose to answer questions about your current career in number 1. Okay, so career number 1, answer questions about the job you have now, if you have one right now. So when it says, what career did you choose? If you're currently, I don't know, a car mechanic, you would just write that. What's the average income? Maybe what's your average income? Will the average income be sufficient? Is it sufficient for your needs right now? Or actually it has here, or what is your current career and how did you get started in it? So you would answer that rather than the average income, sorry. And it says what level of education is required. Instead of answering that, if you already have a career and you're talking about that car mechanic career, what defines success in that career? So on the or, you will answer those or questions and not the others if you're writing about your current career. But if you don't have a current career and you're writing about 2 careers that you might be interested in, answer those first questions. What's the average income and will it be sufficient for what you want in the future? What level of education are you going to need and what degree is required? And rather than just saying, I'm not sure, you need to do a little research and find out. Do I need a bachelor's degree? Is an associate's degree? Is a certificate okay? Does BYU Idaho offer it? So if I'm talking about a career that I'm interested in, I need to do some research and go onto BYU Idaho's website and see if they have that option to pursue that education. If not, where can I go? Do I need to look at some colleges or universities around me and see? Check the employment ads, check the newspaper, check online for what jobs are in your area in that career and answer those questions. So I will be making sure that you did a little research rather than just saying, I'm not sure if there's any positions in my area. Go find out. And then what impact will this have on your personal and your spiritual life? If you already are writing about your current career, a job you already have, then do that second question. What impact does your current career have on your life right now, personally and spiritually? Then number 2, whether you have a job or not, everyone's going to do that second one is a job that they are interested in and answer those questions. So you don't need to have all the or questions. So I hope that's helpful. Let me know if you have questions when it comes to the difference between if you have a job and if you don't and what you do. Reading the direction should help you figure that out. And I'm excited to see what careers are interested for you or you're interested in. And I'm grateful for Career Exploration. When I was a freshman, I took a class like this, Life Skills, when I was in college, and it is how I decided to pursue my job of being a teacher, and I'm grateful for that I had the resources to figure out something that I liked and was interested in, and then knew how to move forward and pursue that career. So good luck, and let me know if you have any questions, and I hope we have a wonderful week. Bye, everyone.